Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sakshi Baghel and I'm pursuing my computer science and engineering from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. My USN number is 1BE23CS149 and today we are going to understand about the topic of square distribution of goodness of fit. So it comes under the topic of the subject of mathematics. So without wasting time, let's start the video. But before starting it, if you're new to this channel, then do subscribe to it and hit the bell icon for new and upcoming videos. So now without wasting much time, let's start our topic. So now let us see the introduction of our topic. So square distribution, it is basically a statistical distribution commonly which is used for category data. So basically we use this square distribution thing for a statistical distribution which is basically which is common and used for categorizing a data. And a goodness of fit test, basically it is a test, a method, we can define it as a method to determine if an observed data set matches a theoretical distribution. Okay, so now let us understand the objectives of this under this topic. So first objective which we can understand is understand the square distribution of it and learn the step to perform the goodness of fit test. So through this video or through this topic we will understand about these two main things. So first let us understand about the square distribution thing. So a definition of it, I've earlier before only in the video I've told about this. So once again let us understand what is the definition of this. So a distribution used to describe, first understand about the square distribution. So definition, before only in the video I've told about the definition of the what do you mean by square distribution. Once again let us see what it mean by the square distribution. So a distribution used to describe the variability of categorical data. So basically we use this distribution means categorizing the data. And as you guys can see on your screen the formula. So the formula which comes under this topic, it is shown on your screen. So now let us understand what this the OI means. It means the observed frequency, and E of I which means of expected frequency. So these are the terms which comes within this formula. So it's important everyone to know about it. So now characteristics of it. It is positively squared degrees of freedom, so which we call it in short term as DF, which means degrees of freedom. Affect shapes. Okay, now let us the second main concept of it, let us understand, which is goodness of fit test. So basically through the name only everyone would have understood it's a kind of a test. So purpose to test if observed frequencies matches expected frequency. So everyone can understand that we what is the main purpose of this goodness of test. It is basically the main purpose is to test if the observed frequency, so the number of frequency of the observed frequency which is given, frequencies matches the expected frequency. So there will be any expected output or something. So if it's matching that thing or not, so for that thing we basically use goodness of fit test. So it is kind of a test. The main purpose of it is to observe frequency which matches the expected frequency or not. Okay, so it's basically to just test of applications. Now let us understand what are the applications of it. So applications are quality control, genetics and market research. Okay, so here I have given three main applications of it. You guys, if you need more knowledge on this, can google it. We have many other applications on it. First is basically quality control, genetics and market research. Now let us see few steps which are important to solve the questions or problems. So steps are, first step is state the null and alternative hypothesis. Second is, then after that we have to calculate the expected frequency. So we have to calculate what is the expected frequency. Third is compute the square statistic. Fourth is to compare the critical value or the p values. Okay, so last step is that we'll just compare everything. Okay, we'll compare the critical values and the p values. Now let us understand about the hypothesis in goodness of fit test. Okay, so null hypothesis, which we basically represent HO, so the observed data fits the expected distributions. Alternative hypothesis, which we represent with the help of HA, the observed data does not fit the expected distribution. So this was about the hypothesis. So this both were the hypothesis in the goodness of fit test. Uh, so now so now let us understand the above topic with an example problem. So example is basically observed data, which is frequency of colors in a bag of candy, sorry, are red 30. So basically it is an example in which it is given that the frequency of the color the frequency of a color in a bag of candies, red 30, blue 20 and green 50. Now let us understand the expected distribution is basically it is given like 30% it's red, 20% it's blue and 50% it's green. Okay, now let us calculate it, and the expected frequency, the square statistics and the conclusion based on the critical value or the p values. So at the end, let us come on the conclusion of the whole topic. So I hope you everyone would have understood the conclusion of this. The whole topic is the square goodness of a fit test is a powerful tool to validate categorical data. Always interpret results in a context of significance level and real world implications. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and I really hope so you have understood something or you have gained some knowledge from this video. And if you have any doubt related to this topic, feel free to comment in the comment section and I would definitely reply to it. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and once again, if you're new to this channel, then do subscribe to it and hit the bell icon for new and upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please hit the bell icon for new and upcoming videos. If you need more related such content related videos, then do subscribe to it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.